Hello students, welcome to NCRT class at Geography, Chapter 4 Industries. Introduction. Industry involves producing goods, extracting minerals, or providing services. Examples include iron and steel production, coal mining, and tourism services. Now, classification of industries. Classification based on raw materials. First one is agro-based industries. They use plant and animal-based products, for example, food processing, textile, and dairy. Mineral-based industries. They utilize mineral ores as raw materials, for example, iron and steel industry. Third one, marine-based industries. They rely on sea and ocean products, for example, seafood processing. Fourth one is forest-based industries. They utilize forest produce, for example, pulp and paper and pharmaceuticals. Classification based on size. Small-scale industries. It involves lesser capital, manual production, for example, cottage industries and handicrafts. Then large-scale industries. They involve high capital, advanced technology, for example, automobile and heavy machinery. Now, classification based on ownership. First one is private sector industries. They are owned by individuals or groups. Public sector industries. They are owned and operated by the government. Joint sector industries. They are owned by both state and individuals or groups. The fourth one is cooperative sector industries. They are owned and operated by producers, workers, or both. For example, Anand Milk Union Limited and Sudha Dairy. Let's go through industrial system. Industrial system components. So the inputs are raw materials, labor, land, transport, power, and infrastructure costs. Then processes, various activities transforming raw materials into finished products. Then what are the outputs? These are the end products and the associated income. For example, in the textile industry, inputs involve cotton, labor, and production costs. Processes include ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing, and printing, resulting in the output of finished shirt. Industrial regions. Major industries worldwide. First one, iron and steel, textile, information technology. Iron and steel, textile are traditional, IT is emerging. Global locations. Iron and steel, German, US, China, Japan and Russia. Then in textile, it is India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan and Taiwan. In information technology, it is Silicon Valley, Central California, and in India, it is Bangalore. So these are the industrial regions. For iron and steel industry, inputs are iron ore, coal, limestone, labor, capital, site, and infrastructure. Processes are blast furnace melting and refining. The output is steel used as raw material in various industries. Then steel applications. It is tough, easily shaped, cut or made into wire. Special alloys for unique properties. Backbone of modern industry used in transportation, construction and machinery. Historical evolution. Initially near raw materials and power, later near coalfields and transportation. Post 1950, large areas near seaports due to increased scale and need for imported iron ore. Indian steel industry. This is one development based on raw materials, labor, transport and market. The key centers are Vilai, Durgapur, Banpur, Jamshedpur, Raulkela, Bokaro, Bhadravati, Vijayanagar, Visakhapatnam and Salem. Let's go through NCRT class 8 Geography, Chapter 4, Questions and Answers. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. What is meant by the term industry? Industry refers to a sector of economic activity that involves the production of goods, the extraction of natural resources, or the provision of services. It encompasses various branches such as manufacturing, mining, and tourism, contributing to economic development. Which are the main factors which influence the location of an industry? The main factors influencing industry location are raw materials, labor, land, water, power, transportation, market access, government policies, climate, technology, political stability, and environmental regulations. Which industry is often referred to as backbone of modern industry and why? This is steel, often termed the backbone of modern industry. This is integral to various products and tools due to its versatile applications. The steel industry acts as a feeder, providing essential raw materials for numerous other industries. Question number 2. Distinguish between the following. The first one is agro-based and mineral-based industry. Agro-based industry. Raw materials. It utilizes plant and animal-based products as raw materials. For example, food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textile, dairy products, and leather industries. The characteristics are it relies on agricultural output for manufacturing. Then, mineral based industry. The raw materials are primary uses, mineral ores as raw materials. The examples are iron and steel industry. The characteristic is it extracts and processes minerals to produce industrial goods. Distinguish between public sector and joint sector industry. Public sector industry. It is owned and operated by government. For example, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Steel Authority of India Limited. The characteristics: state-controlled enterprises for public welfare. Now, joint sector industry. It is shared ownership involving both the state and private individuals or groups. For example, Maruti Udyog Limited. The characteristics are it is a collaboration between the state and private entities in ownership and operation. Question number 3. Give 2 examples of the following in the space provided. First one, raw materials. The answer is iron ore and cotton. End products, steel and cloth. Tertiary activities, transport and banking. Agro-based industries, this is dairy and sugar. Cottage industries, this is pottery and basket weaving. Cooperatives, Mother Dairy and Anand Milk Union Limited or Amul. This completes NCRT class at Geography Chapter 4. We will continue in the next session.